Hi, welcome to the video course Odoo 11 for Business. I'm Ahmed El-Saqqa. I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a certified Odoo functional trainer. Also, I'm a certified project management professional. And currently, I'm a CEO of Writing Solution Company. I have a good experience regarding software implementation using many different software systems for many different domains like telecom, travel, construction, education, and etc. Now, I will give you an answer for the question, what is Odoo? Odoo is a comprehensive suite of business applications including sales, CRM, project management, warehouse management, financial management, human resource, point of sale, e-commerce, and other applications. What we will learn after taking this course. Section 1. It will cover downloading and installing Odoo and creating customer profile plus handling leads and opportunities. Section 2. It will cover creating quotation and converting it to sales order plus invoicing the customer. Section 3. It will cover creating request for quotation and converting it to purchase order, then receiving a shipment in warehouse and generating vendor bill. Section 4. It will cover receiving and delivering shipment, plus tracking lot and serial number and getting on stock valuation report. Section 5. It will cover creating a chart of accounting and journals, plus invoicing, payment, analytical account, assets management, and legal reports. Section 6. It will cover overview for other modules like human resource, recruitment, website builder, project management, point of sale, MRB. So let's know what is the prerequisites. You have to know accounting basics to can get more value from section number 5. Course goals. Know what's Odoo. Learn how we can install applications, and we will learn the features of CRM and sales module, and we will learn the features of purchase module, and we will learn the features of warehouse module, and we will learn the features of accounting module, and we will know overview about the features of other Odoo 11 modules. And finally, we will know overview about Odoo Enterprise extra features. Now, let's start.